United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 49, Legal Status of Archipelagic Waters, of the airspace over archipelagic waters, and of their bed and subsoil. 1. The sovereignty of an archipelagic state extends to the waters enclosed by the archipelagic baselines drawn in accordance with Article 47, described as archipelagic waters, regardless of their depth or distance from the coast. 2. This sovereignty extends to the airspace over the archipelagic waters, as well as to their bed and subsoil, and the resources contained therein. 3. This sovereignty is exercised subject to this part. 4. The regime of archipelagic sea lanes passage established in this part shall not in other respects affect the status of the archipelagic waters, including the sea lanes, or the exercise, by the archipelagic state of its sovereignty over such waters and their airspace, bed and subsoil, and the resources contained therein.